Cooking clams and eating clams can be intimidating if you haven't grown up by the seashore. Today, I'm gonna take this wonderful ingredient and turn it into a classic linguine with clam sauce. So easy, anyone can make it. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is Seafood Without the Catch. The key ingredient to this incredible linguine with clam sauce recipe? Fresh New England clams from your local Hy-Vee.
We carry a little neck clam and a cherry stone clam. The cherry stone's a little bigger, and the little necks are the type that you would put in a pasta dish.
You must get a lot of questions about clams.
Well, let's be realistic. They come off the bottom of the ocean. There will be some grit, some dirt, some stuff on them, and yeah, you want to get that off.
Just a gentle little agitation with your hand is really all you need, but you got to do that. You don't want that in your food.
Hy-Vee is dedicated to partnering with suppliers that maintain the strictest quality standards that we require, all the way from harvest to our door and then to the customer's table.
I'm gonna grab some clams and let's make some linguine with clam sauce together. So about half a box of linguine. I salted my water. That salt will go into the pasta. It makes it taste so much better. Olive oil is a large part of the sauce component here. Lemon zest. There's so much lemon oil in these strips of zest. Oregano. Parsley. I cut it as finely as I can. And that's about a half cup. And then garlic. For this dish, I want people to bite into little thin slices of garlic. And that's about right. Now I have this on low. Little bit of heat from chili flake, bay leaves. The best part about bay leaves, they're really full of flavor. I mean, you crunch that up or just lower your nose that you can smell the bay. I like lots of shallots in this. I'm gonna raise the heat on this and give this a stir. The chilies and the garlic have already softened and they've infused their flavor into that oil. I can smell it. Let's see if our noodles are done. We want the pasta to be al dente. That's firm with a slight chew. This is absolutely perfect. So I just set that to the side. I'm going to add my lemon zest. Now I'm gonna add my clams. These clams, I washed them all. They're all closed, and that means they're alive. If you have any open clams, throw them out. They're dead. What you're gonna have to do is make sure there's enough room in the pot for them to open. And what's gonna help that is a little bit of white wine. Now, I shake the pan every 90 seconds or so to allow the clams to get bathed in that olive oil and wine liquid and to allow space for the clams to open. You can see here, some of these clams are ready to open, and one already has. And we're just gonna wait 10 minutes while these cook. And I always take sort of the first 6 or 7 out of the pan, and those are gonna be sort of my show clams. The rest I'm actually gonna shuck and put back in the sauce. Little black pepper. We don't need salt. There is plenty of salt in here, very naturally occurring with the clams. And we've salted this beautiful linguine. It will continue to cook and absorb moisture and flavor. First thing we do, put our pasta in the bowl. Then, 3 clams. And then probably most important move of the whole affair is spooning that incredible broth. Grill some bread, stick that on the side, and there you have it. Classic linguine with clam sauce, so sweet and garlicky and delectable. And remember, you have an expert behind the counter at your local Hy-Vee. Ask them all your clam questions. Wow.